Hi, good evening, my dear children. This is the second English class for class 3 students. Do you remember what we discussed in last classrooms? What is our story's name? Do you remember the title, heading, name of the story? Tell me. Okay, Billu the dog, right? Billu the dog. Okay. And did you read that lesson many times? Can I ask a question based on last class? Can Billu help the farmer? Can Billu, Billu, who is Billu? Billu is a dog, right? Can Billu help the farmer? Is Billu is able to, if the dog is able to help the farmer? Yes or no? No, right? No, right? Billu cannot help. Why Billu cannot help farmer? Actually, what's the reason why Billu cannot help the farmer? We know Billu is very old. Billu is old. And also, what about his teeth? How many teeth is having? Full teeth? No, he lost almost all his teeth, right? So today I'll read that first paragraph. Once again, I'll read for you the first paragraph of the lesson. Okay, as you know, the first paragraph is here. Okay, I'll read for you. A farmer had a faithful dog called Billu. He was very old, had lost almost all his teeth. This is the first paragraph. Okay, can I read the second page for you? One day, the farmer told his wife, I'll throw Billu out tomorrow. He is of no use to us. Then wife said, please don't. Let the poor creature live here. He has served us since he was a pup. But then farmer replied, but he is too old to do anything now. The thieves aren't scared of him at all. Tomorrow shall be his last day with us. Now, can I ask a question on it? Listen again and again what I read for you. Okay, first question. Why farmer is going to throw Billu tomorrow? Why farmer is going to throw Billu tomorrow? Second question. Why thieves aren't scared of Billu? They are not at all scared. Thieves came to harm, even Billu is there. Why thieves aren't scared of Billu? Okay, answer me. The farmer is going to throw the Billu, the dog. Then Billu became so sad. Then look at the picture. What do you see there? You see the Billu and who else is there? Another animal is there. Which animal is this? Tell me. The fox, right? Yeah. Fox is Billu's friend. So Billu went to the wood forest to meet the fox. Why Billu went to the forest to meet his friend fox? Tell me. Because tomorrow his farmer is going to throw him. So he wants to escape from it. He wants to save his life, right? Then I will read for you, the text for you, okay? Billu heard what the farmer said. Billu heard what the farmer said. He was frightened. He was very much scared. In the evening, he went to the woods. In the evening, he went to the wood. Who went to the wood? Billu went to the wood. What is wood, children? Wood, W-O-O-D, wood. Wood is a forest, right? Where lots of trees are there. Then Billu went to the wood to meet his friend. He met his best friend. You know who is his best friend? The fox. He told the fox what was going to happen. He told everything to fox what was going to happen. Then the fox said, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. I have got an idea. I have got an idea. Can you tell me what idea fox got it? Think and tell me what idea fox got it. Okay, now see the picture. They are hiding. They are sharing ideas. Okay, and the fox got an idea. Then fox shared the idea, okay, with Billu. So, can I ask you one question? If Billu, the dog, approached you, met you, saw you to get an idea, what advice would you give him? If Billu is coming to meet you, okay, not the fox, then what idea would you give? Tomorrow, Billu's master, the farmer, is going to throw the Billu outside. If Billu meets you, what idea you would? Now look at the picture. Whom you see? Where are the farmer and his wife? They are in the field, right? And Billu is there. What is he doing? He is watching, looking at the baby, right? A small baby is there. And farmer and his wife, he is working in the field. Now see the paragraph, I'll read for you. Next day, early in the morning, the farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their baby with them. They laid the baby in the shade of a tree. While they worked, the dog stood near the baby watching it. Now look at the picture. Suddenly, who came over there? The fox, right? See the picture? To attack, to eat the baby. Then see it? Dog, Billu and fox is fighting. And who are coming over there? Mother comes, farmer's wife comes. They all come together over there. Now I'll read for you. Now listen to the text which is given. Suddenly the fox came out of the bush. It ran towards the baby. It jumped at the baby. Then farmer said, "Oh my God!" Farmer's wife, mother said, "Help, help, save my child." And dog, bah, bah. Now children, I'm going to stop it today. You tell me what will happen to the baby. Okay, you find out. I shared the complete story for you. You find out, you read it and share me in next English classrooms. Thank you, bye.